Paano nga ba makaka-attract ng mababait at genuine na AFAM? Let's talk about it. Let's go! Number 1, when you know your worth. Dapat alam mo ang halaga mo. Kasi once alam mo kung ano yung value mo as a person, as a woman, you will never settle for less. Di mo kailangang babaan ang standards mo kasi alam mo sa sarili mo kung ano yung deserve mo talaga. So kung binabastos ka na, huwag mong itolerate. Dapat marunong ka ring i-call out yung mga mali niyang ginagawa sa'yo. Because once you allow a man to treat you like that, bababa talaga yung tingin nila sa'yo and you will attract the same kind of person in the future. Number 2, be authentic. Don't try to act someone you're not just to attract a partner. Gusto mong mahalin ka nila dahil kung sino ka, hindi dahil sa kung anong image ang pinapakita mo. AFAMs are attracted to someone who are confident and comfortable in their own skin. So you don't have to change anything. Di mo na kailangang baguhin ang mukha mo, yung ilong mo, yung color ng skin mo, yung katawan mo. Kasi pag gusto ka, tanggap ka talaga. And they will accept you for who you are, your flaws and imperfections. Number 3, be independent. What does it mean? It means you have to have a life. You have to have your own hobbies, friends, passion, career outside the relationship. Di mo kailangan ng constant attention and validation ng partner mo. Dapat yung happiness mo hindi nakarely sa partner mo. Dapat ikaw mismo sa sarili mo happy ka na. Kasi once self-sufficient ka na, it makes you even more attractive. Next is, don't play games. If you're looking for someone serious, wag mong gawing laro ang relasyon. Be honest about what you want and what you're really looking for. Next is, when you show respect to their culture. Gusto ng mga fam na curious ka din sa culture nila. They like someone who are open to learn about their background, their lifestyle, their tradition. Kasi it means na you're showing willingness to know him more, diba? Number 6, when you're kind and compassionate. Yes, they are attracted to someone who genuinely cares about the people around you. Your family, your loved ones, your friends. Kindness, empathy, and patience go a long way. Practice being the person na merong qualities na ganyan. Next is when you're adventurous and open to new experiences. May mga AFAM na attracted sila sa taong or sa babaeng adventurous and open-minded. Someone who is ready to try new things, new experiences, new places. Kunyari, ikaw yung taong gusto mong mag-try ng mga exotic food, bungee jumping, skydiving, yung mga ganun. Nako, gusto nila yan.